staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam. Partly to mostly cloudy skies continue here in the Fargo-Moorhead area, as well as some breezy conditions shaking that camera around just a little bit. Current temperature 66 degrees. We topped out at 69 degrees earlier this afternoon. Those winds out of the north at 15 miles per hour, still gusting over 20 miles per hour times. Those winds will subside just a bit as we head through tonight. So 50s off towards the northwest, 57 Devils Lake and Langdon, 59 in Valley City, 64 in Gwinner. Also 64 in the Wahpeton-Breckenridge area. Winds remain on the gusty side, and we're going to see those winds again slowly subside as we head through this evening. Cooling down to about, settling down, I should say, to around 5 to 15 miles per hour through the overnight hours. Lots of clouds out there, and we're going to see some partly to mostly cloudy skies as we head through the overnight hours. Underneath those clouds, not a whole lot of precipitation, but a few isolated sprinkles and showers trying to develop, and we may see one or two raindrops hitting the windshield as we head through the next couple of hours. But most of us, the vast majority of us, will stay dry. Northern Plains, we've got some unsettled weather across much of the area. You've got some showers and storms making their way into the western Great Lakes, more showers and some rumbles of thunder through southeastern South Dakota into eastern Nebraska. And yeah, quite a bit of snow falling in the higher elevations of northern Wyoming. Some areas, including the Yellowstone area, could see upwards of 8 inches of snow before all is said and done as this continues to make its way off towards the east and northeast. We're not going to see any snow here, but we'll have that risk for more rain as we head through the latter portion of the week. And between now and then, some areas could see a touch of frost. Snow up in the northern Rockies, down in the central and southern Rockies, some showers and some thunderstorms, and in the southeastern U.S., quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity dotting that area. For us, as we head through the rest of this evening and into tonight, again, partly to mostly cloudy skies with an isolated sprinkle or shower not out of the question. Overnight lows, we're going to get well down into the 40s in most locations and maybe some upper 30s across our northwestern counties. I would not be surprised to see an isolated area of frost in the northwestern counties, but it looks like better chances for frost will show up as we head through tomorrow night. As we head through the day tomorrow, we'll start off the day with partly to mostly cloudy skies with decreasing clouds, but we'll see some breezy conditions and temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than today. And with that breeze around, it's going to feel rather chilly as we head through tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. And as we head into tomorrow night with clearing skies and some light decreasing winds, we're going to see some very cold temperatures, many areas getting down into the 30s tomorrow night, including here in the Fargo-Moorhead area as we head through tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning, though, 44 degrees, a chilly start to the day, not much of a warm-up by noon, getting on up into the lower 50s. And as we wrap up the day, we'll get it on up to around 60 degrees. It's going to feel cooler than that with those northerly winds. Picture of the day, evening at Pelican Lake near Ashby, Minnesota. Thanks for Cheryl for sending that in. We're going to use that as the background of our 7-day forecast. And again, the big story over the next couple of days, the cool weather, 60 tomorrow and then getting into the upper 30s Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And again, some of our northern counties could see some frost as we head into Wednesday morning. Some upper 60s Wednesday, stormy weather as we head through your Thursday and Friday, but it looks like it would dry out just in time for the weekend and warm it back up into the 70s.
Oh my gosh, it's just all over the place. We got frost, we got summer-like conditions
rain,
coming back,
storms,
we got rain.
And maybe the second weekend in a row that looks good.
We'll see about that.
See.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert. If you have a Galaxy Note 7 smartphone, beware. There is another warning tonight from Samsung, and this one is pretty urgent. It's coming up next.